Whee! This is so much fun! Look at all the pretty flowers!
Good morning, my beautiful horses! Ready for a ride? Follow me to the trolley, let's go! You're here!
Of course, and I brought some friends. They're so cute.
All aboard for a ride!
Whoa, a shark in my pond? I gotta drain this pond now. Time to fix this wobbly wheel. They're all tightened up nice and snug. I'm here! Hold on, buddy!
Oh, be careful!
Got it! It's lifting!
Look, he's getting up! Hold still, sweetie. We're almost done.
There you go, just a little more.
You're so brave.
What a beautiful day! Gotta hurry! The jungle's in trouble! Time to douse these flames!
This sign will keep our forest safe. No smoking means fresh air for all.
You're doing great, honey. The rows look perfect.
Thanks. I want to make you proud.
You always do. Look at that rain!
Wow, the corn is growing.
It's a miracle! What's that noise?
Oh no! Corn!
Get away from my corn! Go get him, kitty! That's my cat! What a beautiful sunset for harvesting.
It is. Let's fill the trolley.
Great teamwork, my love. We're here! Fresh corn for the market! It looks wonderful! Everyone will love it!